All right, Barakah Yahweh, Barakah Yahushai, Kala Yahweh, Bahashim Yahushai, Bahasham Kakadash, give honor to the elders of Great Milton, the elder apostle of Great Milton, we will well. Their citation to the auction of pushing the truth across the four corners of the earth to the spirit and power of Yahweh, Bahasham Yahushai, the hope of the elect, and who the world instantly called God's name Yahweh, and who the world instantly called Jesus Christ, name Yahushai. Or the Hebrew Israelite that consists of the so-called Negroes, Latinos, and the Native American Indians. This is Mohari Call from the Great Milton Los Angeles camp. All right, back with another lesson. I'm an hour Rasazal, Lord willing. It'll be edifying to the spirit and power of Yahweh by Hashem, Yahweh Shai, by Hashem Kakadash, all right, with the Holy Spirit, all right. So you see, what's been going on days ago down in Alabama, all right, with the boat. And you had this Jake chair, all right, smack Esau, the so-called white man, in his head, all right, with the folding chair. See that? So, hey, Jake making a meme and all that, but somebody had posted this like this, all right, and come to find out, a Jake, all right, so-called African American man, a Negro, all right, which would be from the tribe of Judah, all right, one of the 12 tribes of Israel, had in fact invented the folding chair. See? So let's go to his website. All right, I have to Google his name. All right, it's the Stock Company, or it's StockDeal.com. All right. The biography of Nathaniel Alexander, inventor of a folding chair. All right, let's see, he is a patent. Yeah, patent July 4th, 1911. All right, he invented the folding chair. Okay. Okay. It said on July 7th, 1911, an African American man named Nathaniel Alexander of Lynchburg, Virginia, all right, patented a folding chair. Okay, which is Israelite. According to his patent, Nathaniel Alexander designed his chair to be used in schools, churches, and other auditoriums. His design included a bookrest that was usable for the person sitting in the seat behind. It was ideal for church or choir use. All right. Uh, the Alexander invention is found. First, let's get this scripture. All right, it's Jeremiah 10 and 15, the portion of Jacob. All right, which is the Israelite, so-called Negro, Latino, Native American Indian. It's not like them, for he is the former of all things, and Israel is the rod of his heritage. The Lord Yahweh Shai of hosts is his name. Okay. So Jake is known for inventing a lot of stuff. I would say the majority of the things that we use is invented by Jake. All right. Cause we the one that make this world popping. All right. We the one that make this world function better. Okay. It's a little biographical, a little graphical data. Alexander's invention is found on many lists for a black American inventor. However, he has escaped having much biographical information known about him. What can be found confuses him with an early governor of the state of North Carolina who was not a black American. One say he was born in the early 1800s in North Carolina and died several decades before the date of the patent of the folding chair. Another one, which was written as satire, that he was born the same year as the patent was issued. These things obviously erroneous, all right? Basically, it's an error, all right? It's the patent 997-108 is the only invention on record for Nathaniel Alexander, but on March 10, 1911, his application was witnessed by two people, James R. L. Digg and C. A. Lindsay. James R. L. Digg was a Baptist minister from Baltimore born in 1865 who was a member of the Niagara movement and holder of a M.A. from Bucknell University and a Ph.D. in psychology from Illinois Wesleyan in 1906. In fact, Digg was the first African American to hold a psychology Ph.D. in the United States. The Niagara movement was a black civil rights movement led by W.E.B. Du Bois. All right. So both basically, uh, right here it said, folding chair allows the faith to be used for other purposes when there is not a class or church service. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, it's instead of having fixed chairs, all right, that just take up that space. All right, it's not easy to move fit chairs around. All right, so it makes sense to move these folding chairs. All right, fold it and then put it somewhere else. Now you have room where once the chairs was sitting up at. All right. So made count. His house has scriptures on made no accounts for his labors. Made no of his labors. Oh, wisdom of Solomon. That's why. In the Apocrypha. It was at 5, right? Yeah. Wisdom of Solomon 5:1. Then shall the righteous stand in great boldness before the faith of such as have afflicted him. All right, and that's starting with the true men of the Lord. All right, the prophets. All right, telling Esau even to his face about what he done and his judgment that he gonna receive. Okay. And now you can also apply it to what's going on now. All right, Jake is starting to stand up against Edom. Right, see what happened in Alabama. All right, everybody's talking about this. They have started. Drake started to look out for other Drake now. All right, but we shall see. All right, like Scripture say, who shall rouse him up? Talking about the tribe of Judah, which are the so-called Negroes. All right, so-called African Americans. Okay. And made no account of his labor, right? Because they don't make no account of what Jake contributed, all right, or what he had made and patent and all that stuff, all right. It took this event, all right, Jake hitting the Edomite upside the head with a folding chair, all right, be brought out that a Jake had invented the folding chair, all right. But hey, the information is out, all right, that a so-called Negro, all right, invented the folding chair. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to bring that out briefly. All right, not make it too long videos. So with that, let's say shalom.